time.
Absolutely.
You had that in late 2018. I was terming it the primal scream, but it ended real fast. If you go back November, December 2018, stocks fell a lot. Bonds didn't do a whole lot. Interest rates were kind of stable to slightly higher. And that wealth management community was, what's going on here? Because if stocks are going to go down 15%, shouldn't my bond 40 leg be going straight up to offset it? And it wasn't happening. And they were getting very concerned. And then Powell pivoted on January 4th, so that concern went away real fast. So you've seen that is what I think would really cause is if you got to an environment where stocks and bonds both went down together.
Which would really be just yields rising, but almost guarantee a big drop in the stock market. It would completely end buybacks. You would have all kinds of liquidity problems in the lower tier credit market.
And speaking of, you're right. We went to 3.25 in September of 18, and the stock market crumbled. You know what happened the first 2 weeks of January? We bottomed at 144 on the 10-year note. 10 days later, we were trading 185. It was 40 basis point rise in 10 days. I remember we were tracking. It was like the biggest 10-day rise in yields since 2011. And then the next day was the repo crisis. It's like every time rates go up meaningfully, something breaks.
And 40 is now meaningfully.
Yeah. Now 40 basis points to 185 is all you need to start breaking things, because that's really what I'm not saying that that's what caused the repo crisis. I'm saying that that's what immediately preceded it, was a big rise in rates, and then it snapped. And it's been snapped ever since. So the market can't handle any kind of real rise in rates. So if you got that, and it also broke stocks, that those 43 million accounts with those 13,000 wealth managers are going to have that primal scream I saw beginning in the fourth quarter will be much, much